Guys, good morning. This is London session, and I'm here again with our 10 pips stop loss trade. So this right here is 20 pips stop loss, guys. Yeah, I think that's a very good level to actually set the stop loss. So we'll see how the trade plays out. I'm gonna set the rest of them. Okay, guys, so far so good. Our stop loss is still intact, hasn't been hit, but the pattern I'm seeing presently, I'm not really liking it. But yeah, I might as well just come off before it takes me out. But guys, we're gonna leave it. And today's trade is a 20 pip stop loss, not the usual 10 pip stop loss. But it's alright, guys. No, wrong pattern. So guys, I've given up on this trade. This pattern is obvious that our stop loss is going to be hit. So guys, that's fine. We're just going to lose 80 pips here, guys. I know that's going to happen. We've lost 80 pips now. That's it, guys. Today wasn't a good day. We've lost 41,000 and we are left with 86,000 from when we started last week with 100,000. So guys, today wasn't a good day. It wasn't the day for us. But nevertheless, guys, we move. And it's worse off because we used a 20 pip stop loss. But guys, I had to because I had to take my stop loss below that level. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. It's going down, guys. All right, guys, we'll wait for another setup. See you guys soon. Okay, guys, I just went in again now. And I'm going to set my stop loss right now. So guys, that's a 10 pip stop loss. All right, guys, so obviously my second sell position hits our stop loss again, guys. As a matter of fact, I think I closed it before it hit the stop loss. So guys, we are on a losing streak this morning on gold. It's not really been good, but so far, guys, I have taken a sell on gold now because I believe gold is about to drop. So I have set a stop loss of 10 pips, guys, on all this trade, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the way it's looking so far. Our trade is doing well. We haven't set any take profit yet. I looked and I said I'm going to set a take profit at let's see, we're going to set take profit at about maybe 80 pips because there's a level right there, guys, on the daily. Guys, I think I'm going to make a personal decision to close out my trades because price may decide to go up from here, guys. I've made a personal decision and I've closed out my position, guys. So today we are left with a profit of 38,000. Okay, guys, I have just taken sales again on gold, guys. I've opened my sell positions again, guys, and this time I'm risking 6 positions, guys. Yeah, I've set a stop loss of 10 pips in some of the trades, and yes, guys, I hope our stop loss won't be hit. All right, guys, we had closures on the gold trade. The setup, we just lost about 2,000 from our gain of today. So we had closures for the sell trade because it went up. And don't forget our stop loss was 10 pips, guys. We have a buy zone presently here, but I'm not just going to jump into the market. I am waiting for a setup. All right, guys, this is the way the trade is looking now. I've adjusted my stop loss to 10 pips now. I may be putting it at break even, but so far so good, guys. This is the way the trade is looking. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it hits. Oh wow, guys, it hits our take profits. Boom, guys, that's it. So we've been able to move the account from 100k to 568,000 using proper money management. We use stop loss for the trades, and so far so good. We've had a couple of losses in the account. We've had a couple of losses. They are not extremely big. These trades here were just, in fact, this one's okay. I think this one's got to stop loss, and then this one's I closed out by myself because I went in and discovered that it was just an error buying at that point in time, and so I closed it quickly by myself because it moved up so fast, so it didn't give me the opportunity of closing at a lower price. And so, guys, then all of these ones we just hit at a profit right now. We continue this account maybe tomorrow. Have a nice day, guys. Trade safe, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. We are in the London session. I just took buys on gold now, and I'm placing my stop loss at 20 pips. All right, guys, I have now placed my stop loss at 20 pips for each trade. So we'll see how the trade runs. This is London session, by the way. Why did I take the buy? Gold has been buying. When the market opened, gold retraced down a bit and found demand down there. As you can see, between 2671 to 2669, it found demand, and gold has been rising since the Asian session. And I believe gold is going to continue going up. That we found some pressure area to move. We found some pressure area to move price down. All of this, but I'm believing gold is going to break through those levels and it's going to go up. So guys, I'll keep you all updated with the trade. Let's not forget this is our 10 to 30 pip stop loss trade, but I'm taking 20 pip stop loss. today, guys, and I opened more than 4 positions because the account size is growing. Remember, we started at 100k, and right now it is at 500k presently, 568. So I have increased my positions. I no longer enter 4, I now enter 6 positions. So guys, let's see how the trade plays out. Guys, so this is what the trade is looking like presently. I set a take profit of 50 pips. So far so good, guys. This is the way it's looking. We started at 100k and we have been maintaining 10 to 30 pips. I'm not even gonna lie, because I started with 10 pips stop loss, but there are some times I end up entering a little bit too early. Like I don't wait for my levels, and when I enter too early, then I have to take a bigger stop loss. Contrary to if I had waited, sometimes it just goes, but sometimes it actually retraces back down before eventually going my direction. Okay, guys, we have hit take profits in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 positions. I don't know. Hope I put take profit. Okay, we're about to hit take profit in the 4th. Is it the 5th? Yeah, we hit take profit in the 5th position. So guys, we just have 1 position running. We have 1 position running, guys. I'm gonna leave that one open and see where it takes us. Although very soon, guys, we're gonna be having CPI news very soon. So because of that, I may consider closing this early. I have closed the last position at 23,000. Yeah, guys. So far, guys, we have raised the account from 100k to 715,000 using proper money management and placing stop loss for every trade. So guys, I'll see you guys during New York session. Today is CPI news. Let's see what price has in store. Then for now, I'm out. Even if price decides to break, price may get to 2692. I think price most probably will get there. It may get there before CPI news. I don't know, guys, but I think I'm fine. Today we made a total of 147 in the account. So guys, we'll see what New York session has in store for us. And if not, I'm gonna call it a day and continue tomorrow. All right, guys. Have a nice day. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be setting my stop loss for this trade. I think I'm going to be moving this trade to break even very soon. If it breaks above 2688, I'm going to set it at break even. But for now, I have to. This is looking like it wants to come down, guys. You know what? I'm going to come out of this trade because I'm not liking what I'm seeing. So I'm out of this for now. Guys, I went in again after re-strategizing, and gold is just moving so fast. I'm going to be setting my stop loss right now. I'm going to be setting 20 pips stop loss in each position, guys. I'm taking 20 pips stop loss and probably 100 pips take profits, depending. I'm just gonna wait it out, guys. The news came out bad for dollar, so but the rest of there were 3 news that came out CPI, so one of them was bad for dollar, the other 2 remained the same. And if you look, gold has been buying, so I expect the buy to continue. Look at that pattern, guys. Look at this trend line, guys. I expect the buy to continue. So guys, I'm in on buys again. I'm just gonna set my stop loss quickly at 20 pips. It's 4.30. I'm expecting price to keep going up. All right, guys, so stop loss has been set at 20 pips. So we're gonna see how the trade goes from here. Look at that, guys. I have closed out a lot of my positions manually on this account. I'm just gonna close out the last one, guys. Look at that, guys. This was our CPI trade, guys. I bought and I opened 6 positions, guys, and we took this is nearly, it's not up to 100 pips, but nearly 100 pips, guys. I have closed out all my trade, guys. Look at that, guys. So far so good, guys. We have raised it to 1 million from 100,000 using 10 to 30 pips stop loss. I'm gonna put you through why I took this trade. My area of interest was 2686, 268601 and 268689. That was my area of interest. So why? Because for obvious reason, you can see, first of all, we had all of this happening right here, and then when you go further, you find out that when you come here, you are seeing almost the same thing happening here. What was happening back there is almost happening here, and this was just around this was before the news, obviously. So it has given us some sort of patterns, and when you are looking deeper, you're going to see that there are levels, there are certain levels, like you can see right here. We are going to be having something like a supply level that was broken, if you understand what I mean. Because when it came down, it created some sort of supply level between these two. It created some sort of supply level between these two candles, and then it was broken by this white candle. And then an opportunity will arise, right, for you to take a buy again. So where would you be looking? Where would I want to take this buy? Because don't forget, we had the news come out, right? And when the news came out, 1 out of the 3 CPI news, one of them was bad for dollars. So that gave gold an edge. to go up against dollar. And the other two news, they remain the same. Now, gold has been buying since morning, guys. Gold has been buying since Asian session into London session and now New York session. Gold has been buying. So you just wait for a retracement, because even the news came out and it still favored gold. So what you do is you simply wait for a retracement. And so that's what I was doing, guys. That's exactly what I was doing. I was waiting for gold to retrace towards this level, 2686. And then again, why did I also choose the other level as well? The other level, 268601. Let me see if I can make it clearer in the lower time frame. 268601 and 2684. 2684 was another level I was looking at. And this trend line also played a part, guys. I'll come back to the trend line. I'm just going to move it aside. So, for obvious reason, if you put this trend line is good here. Sorry, this horizontal line is very good here, because if you go to the lower time frame, you can see that gold clearly had a trend line, a very beautiful trend line right here, guys. Look at that trend line. Look at this trend line, guys. It's so clean. When the news came out, boom, that trend line was broken. It was broken. So I was looking for areas where if price retraced, and I knew price is going to come down anyway, obviously from 2693. I placed that level over there, 2693, and guys, gold came down, giving us opportunity to enter. That's why sometimes you have to sit on your hands, guys. Look at that. Gold is retracing back from where I took profit. So sometimes you have to sit on your hands, guys. Don't be in a hurry. Trading is a game of patience. So that was what I did. After drawing all of this, I saw, boom, after this, I knew that there must be some areas around here where price could retrace back, and that was why I put all of these levels. 2684 came from I would call it medium time frame. Do you see that? In the 30 minutes, that was how I placed it over here. I'm going to show you right here. That's a very good level to place it, because I'll explain if you would understand what I'm saying. You know, this was the last, oh no, this was the last week. You see, the last week before the break. So it came down, all the way down, and then closed here. But this was the open of the candle, guys. You know, when you've traded for a long time, you can see these things, and you would know that this is a very good place to place. It's a very good place to place your horizontal lines. I don't know if you got that explanation. From that last candle that came down, and it's open. That's the best place, because that's the last black candle before the white candle that took off. So going to a lower time frame, you would see it differently. Do you see? It's totally different in the lower time frame. Sometimes you have to go higher for you to see much more clearer. So guys, those were my levels. Those were the levels I marked out. The blue level simply came from the supply level that was broken in the supply level that was broken in the hourly. And so when I went to the lower time frame, after this had formed and it started to hit my levels, after I started coming down, if you remember, I took a first trade, but I wasn't sure, and I came out, and then I reanalyzed again, and that was when I drew my trend line. Where's the trend line I put aside? Okay, I'm going to draw a new one. That was when I drew this trend line, guys. When I drew this trend line and I saw it was already hitting levels, I said, okay, now is the time to re-enter. And I was lucky, I was quick to re-enter, because immediately I entered, guys, it was no drawdown. The trade just started going up. And so, guys, boom, that was how I closed that manually. I didn't have the time to take profits. I knew if it gets towards 2695, I knew it's going to start dropping, because even where I was watching out for was 2693. I keep trading this account. If I have time, I'll continue. I do flip accounts, but at the end of the day, there are traders out there that don't want to take that risk, especially when they are not professionals. They don't want to take that kind of risk. When they see that, they're like, nah, not for me. So I could also show you ways to preserve your account. If you are not good at flipping, you could also use 10 to 30 pips stop loss, and you could take 50 to 100, 200 pips, even 300 pips, take profits, guys. You could really trade using a risk-reward ratio of 1:10, 1:20. It is possible. I've done that so many times. It's very possible, guys. All right, guys, look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Wow, guys, almost 100 pips down from our level at 2695. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and I hope you made money trading CPI news today. A buy right now on gold. This is the London session. I took a buy on gold right now on hitting this level of demand, guys. Let's go to the 4 hours so you can see that clearly. Look at that, guys. Let's go to the hourly. We'll look at the pressure area, guys. Gold hit this level 2701 and started to retrace down, and I took a buy right at that support level, guys. Looking at it from the 4 hour, you can see that this right here is a demand area, all of that. But because there's a support right there, you can see this candle, this wick, that area, that is where I took the buy. So guys, I'm going to be setting my stop loss of 10 pips or 20 pips, depending. I'm going to look at the area again. I'll assess the area properly. I know the best possible place to place my stop loss. But more than likely, I'm going to take between 10 to 20 pips stop loss on this trade. All right, guys. I'm going to set my stop loss now. Okay, guys. This is what the trade is looking like presently, guys. This was really like a sniper entry. The entry was so clean. I've got about 50 pips. Whoa, guys. Hit take profits, guys. Just like that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Take profit hits on all the positions. Oh, there's one running, guys. I'm going to close this one. So it's about 50 something pips, guys. Wow. Today we have made a total of 482,000. Guys, you know, I increased my size because the account balance has increased. When I started with 100,000, when I started this account with 100,000, I used to use a size of 50 lots and I opened just 4 positions. But because the account balance has increased, I have increased my size, guys. I've increased the size that I take. I no longer take 50 lots, and I take 100 lots, and I take open more position, guys. I open more position. So, guys, we've been able to take this account to 1.4 million from 100,000 using 10 to 30 pips stop loss only. Okay, guys. These are the sell positions I took on gold. But guys, this is just a scalp trade. And yeah, guys, we'll see how the trade plays out. Guys, I'm going to come off this trade. I had to do a reanalysis, and trading at 7:30 p.m. UK time is not really my thing. Guys, so far so good. We have raised the account from 100,000 to 1.5 million, guys. And we have been using proper money management, 10 to 30 pips stop loss, guys. And we have traded the account for about 4 days, just about 4 days, but making sure we use proper money management. We have been able to raise the account from 100,000 to 1.5 million. All right, guys, have a nice evening, maybe morning or afternoon, wherever you are. And we'll see tomorrow during London session, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.